especially in classics, as an emerald turquoise car, so still very similar to the way it would have come from Chevrolet back in 1967. Does have the turquoise custom buckets also, which is according to the data tag the way this would have came. As you can see, we have the hideaway headlights, RS style grille. Now, not representing this as an SS, has some badging done to it with the SS and the 350. Actually, underneath the hood, 1968 vintage 327. That is paired up with a 4-speed manual transmission, power steering. If you want to check out the still pictures so you can see under the hood, check out the underside of the car, interior. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. I'm going to take you right there, and of course you can call us at 507-386-1726. This is an older restoration car, came out of California. You do have a few little areas where the paint shows its age a little bit, but overall, nice car to get in to take into your local shows, cruise-ins, roll-ins. Take a look up and down, passenger side. It's had a few little just small spots where it's been maybe a little touch up here and there, but when I mean small, I'm talking very small. So you see riding on the rally style wheels with a radial GT tires. Of course, bucket seats, center console, and then that 4-speed on the floor. A little aftermarket gauge cluster. This is a manual top, black vinyl. At the end of this video, we'll run that up so you can check it out. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. It does come with the convertible cover, parade boot, if you will. That does show its age a little bit brittle in a couple spots. That's why I want to just leave it off the car, and I will fold it up, put it back in the trunk, be shipped with the car. Remember, still pictures, undersides, interior, engine bay, trunk, still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. Be able to take you right there and check it out. This one does have the cocktail shakers, front and rear, so under the hood and in the trunk. Of course, those were to stiffen the convertibles as far as the rigidity of them. Those are all there. And again, manual top, black vinyl, nice shape. All right, let's go ahead and check out this interior. Nice thing about a little older restoration, you can see how things are going to wear. You can look around the wheel wells, bottoms of this car. You don't really see anything bubbling, anything like that. Door panels, seats. Check them out for rips, tears, much wear. Nothing really major there at all either. I noticed when you fold this one seat back, or forward I should say, that's separated a little bit at the bottom, but that is covered up when the seat is closed. And it's not really going anywhere, let's put it that way. All right, we're gonna fire this up, so here at Run, we'll check out that engine bay. First, take a peek at the top of the dash. FYI, I have had the radio working, did not have the wipers working. All right, let's go ahead and fire this up. As you can see, tack working. Nice running and sound at 327. And again, that's a vintage 1968 327. Fuel gauge. Down there, you can see that is working. Also oil pressure. Temp gauge, assuming that's going to come up as the engine warms up. Check out the rest of the dash. Alright, make sure we're neutral here. Looks good. Door closes nicely. There, you can hear that. Nothing over the top, no crazy exhaust, but just a nice throaty little rumble. Sounds good. This one will turn some heads, no doubt about that. Alright, I'm going to pause this a second. Let's check underneath the hood, see how that looks. Alright, hood liner. Intact, nice shape. Has had an aluminum radiator added. Still got the fan shroud, which is nice. See, some people get rid of that, not sure why. Again, power steering. Look how smooth that 327 runs. Sounds good too. Like I say lots of times, the things you don't hear. Nice smooth running 327. Something else I wanted to mention. This vehicle is in the same owner's hands for many years. I think close to 30 years, past 30 years. Unfortunately, he had to move, was losing the storage spot, and is now available for somebody else to purchase and enjoy. All right, I'm going to shut it down, close that hood up, and let's quick flip that top up for you and let you check that out too, and we'll wrap this video up.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
And there's the top up again, black vinyl. Is a manual top, FYI. Nice shape, free of holes, rips, tears. Come around to the rear, let you see through there. It's a plastic rear window. Don't have to worry about that cracking or shattering. The top's going to do what it needs to do. If it needs to keep you dry or out of the sun, not a problem there. If it's nice and tight up front of the windshield, and again, no rips, tears, holes. Nice shapes, no surprises on that. There you go, 1967 Chevrolet Camaro convertible. Want to know more? Check out the still pictures. Look it over top to bottom, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. 507-386-1726 is the phone number. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.